with their massive booth with all their video games. Again, traditional and also slot play. So, and again, everything's going from like the comic book characters, if you see them. And they have all sorts of neural vision things that they use. Their particular company even has the chairs that go with it, so you play chair-wise. And one other thing that I noticed a lot of, came into the casinos really quick, are a lot of the games where two people can sit and play. You don't have to have a single stool, and then you got to put up a stool. A lot of them now have video games or games in Spanish, Espanol. Let's see if there's anything else to watch. Go Novomatic. Boom, thank you. 3D, thank you. Let's see, how are we going to get out of here? Like, follow, and share on Sync Media Network on all social media platforms. This group is here all the time, and I love them because every year they have something different. And they have a different, what do you call it? How are you this year? Every year I always know you guys are here. You look great. All right, I think we're going to bounce off and come back. There's a bunch more we're going to go see. Back to you in the studio, Eileen.